Welcome back to KVUE News at 6. Boomtown tracks all the ways Austin and Central Texas is growing and changing these days. And how about this? Austin-based 3D printing company Icon has been printing homes in East Austin and Georgetown lately. And they plan to continue their work eventually on the moon.
Wow, the company was recently awarded a nearly $60 million contract by NASA. KVUE's Matt Fernandez finds out how the company plans to do it.
Austin-based company Icon is working with NASA, the goal to build a large 3D printer and to bring it to the moon.
Construction system that we call Olympus. It's a system that will allow us to use the local materials of the moon to build all the major elements of infrastructure necessary for a lunar outpost and ultimately a moon base. This is launch and landing pads, roadways, habitats, you name it, all the things we need on the moon.
CEO Jason Ballard says they hope to try to start building on the moon by 2026, building a launch and landing pad.
But the robotic arm behind me here is like sort of approximate within sort of 25% one way or the other of the scale of a robot.
It's something like out of a sci-fi movie. They hope to use a large 3D printer using lasers to make the infrastructure. They'll not be using a water-based concrete like they do to build their 3D homes in Central Texas.
Is using a high-power laser to actually transform moon dust into a building material, but we've also done some experiments with microwave, infrared, and outright melting. But the mission that is presently funded and contemplated in the contract is a laser-powered system.
They're working on the large-scale design and development of the system that will go to the moon. It will be tested for things like how to deal with lower gravity. The goal is to transport the 3D printer in a spacecraft and just use the materials on the moon. Ballard says he's excited about the work and hopes to get to build on the moon in the future.
It's a sort of an optimistic endeavor to advance the situation of our species in the universe. In the short term, I think humanity just needs better ways to build. One day we will be building the first thing ever built by our species on another world right here from Austin, Texas.
In Austin, Matt Fernandez, KVUE News.